Testing the authenticity of a rough diamond can seem like a daunting task, especially without specialized tools. However, there is a simple and accessible method you can use at home to get an initial idea: the scratch test. While it's not 100% definitive, this method can help you distinguish a real diamond from many common imitations. Materials you will need: a rough diamond stone, a hard surface such as glass, ceramic, or a metal plate, commonly called a scratch plate, a magnifying glass, optional for closer inspection, clean water and a soft cloth for cleaning the stone. Step-by-step guide. Step 1. Clean the stone. Before testing, make sure your rough diamond is free of dirt, dust, or oils. Clean it gently using water and a soft cloth. Any debris on the surface could affect the test results. Step 2. Choose the surface. Select a surface that can show scratches but will not be easily damaged. Glass works well for a simple demonstration. Ceramic or a solid metal plate is preferred for better accuracy. Important: avoid surfaces that are fragile or valuable, as the test might leave scratches. Step 3. Perform the scratch test. 1. Hold the rough diamond firmly. 2. Gently press the edge of the diamond against the chosen surface. 3. Drag or scratch lightly along the surface. Observation: if the diamond scratches the surface, this is a strong indication that the stone is real. Diamonds are the hardest naturally occurring material on Earth, so they can scratch glass, metal, or ceramic easily. If the stone does not scratch the surface, it might be a fake diamond, such as cubic zirconia or glass. Step 4. Inspect the diamond. After the scratch test, use a magnifying glass to examine the diamond itself. A real diamond is extremely hard and will rarely show scratches on its own surface. If you notice visible scratches on the stone, it is likely not a genuine diamond. Additional tips and precautions. 1. Do not use excessive force. Rough diamonds can have natural inclusions or fractures, which might break under pressure. 2. Use this method as a preliminary test. While it is helpful, it is not a definitive measure of authenticity. 3. For black diamonds, carbonado, or very small stones, the scratch test may be less reliable. Other tests like thermal conductivity, water flotation, or specialized gemological tests may be needed. 4. Always handle with care. Rough diamonds have sharp edges and can injure fingers if not handled properly. Conclusion: the scratch method is a simple and inexpensive way to get an initial idea of whether a rough diamond is real. By gently scratching a hard surface with the stone, you can observe its hardness and assess its authenticity. However, for valuable stones or professional verification, it is always best to consult a certified gemologist or a trusted laboratory for a thorough examination.